Orange has passed, red and white. I repeat, orange is in front.
Congratulations on finally dethroning Trinidad White in the trail run.
We absolutely had to push with everything we had, especially with Trinidad and Germany. Our goal going into it was push them hard and wear them down. Along the way, Dan had groin problems on and off, so we knew if it came down to that I would run a third day. Obviously, we didn't foresee dehydration and IVs and everything,
I know, right?
but when it came, we were prepared for it.
I was tired in the legs, very tired in the legs. I know we did it to them on day 2. I still had confidence because where we were passing was some little hills, and only take it easy going down the hills, but the legs was just saying no.
Unexpected happening. Right? But at the end of the day, we still have confidence that we're going to take this thing. Right? It's what we do and what we do best.
We kind of knew that white and orange would overtake us. We counted on that. Kind of counted on doing our race, same as we did before, and finishing third.
We only saw orange and white in the beginning,
Yeah.
leaving, and after that we didn't see any of the other teams, so it was our race. And then for the major challenge, we already won one that we didn't expect. Yesterday we shared the points, so we didn't expect it at all.
Yeah.
So who knows what's going to happen today.
Yeah.
On the final day of the Nature Island Challenge, there's a huge shake-up in the trail run. USA Orange makes a spectacular effort and finishes first at Cabana Beach. Along the way, mini challenges were winner-take-all, and we have yet to see who won those. Now, each team has one last big push to make as we join them on Purple Turtle Beach. Congratulations, teams, on completing the final trail run for the third Nature Island Challenge. In an upset today, USA Orange beat Trinidad and Tobago White to win the trail run. Welcome to the final major challenge at Purple Turtle Beach for Sets on the Beach. This challenge will test your team's swimming and volleyball skills. 6 members of Dominica's national volleyball team will be assisting you today. You're going to select one team member from your team to swim out to the boat and collect the flag. Once they return, that flag determines who you get from Dominica's national volleyball team. As a bonus, the first 2 team members back get a bye for their teams into the semi-finals. Three, 2, 1, go! The byes for the first round of volleyball go to Team Barbados Yellow and USA Blue. Both automatically advance to the semi-finals. The teams finish and find their pro partners as we move to the courts.
I got a good feeling about this right here.
Both Germany Red and Germany Green advance to the semi-final. Germany Red plays Barbados Yellow and Germany Green takes on USA Blue. Barbados Yellow and USA Blue now play for the final 25 points in the last major challenge. Barbados Yellow shows a lot of heart to rally from the last place and win the final major challenge. Congratulations everyone on completing the 3rd annual Nature Island Challenge. As always, Dominica was an amazing host, providing a spectacular venue and support. All teams competed with passion and sportsmanship, leaving nothing on the course. After a hard-fought battle all the way to the finish, here are the final standings. In 3rd place, with 170 points, USA Orange. The first 2 places, all the way to the finish. In 1st and 2nd, we have Germany Red and Trinidad and Tobago White. The winner, with 245 points, are defending champions Trinidad and Tobago White. Trinidad and Tobago White take the win for a repeat victory here in Dominica. The past few days have been simply amazing.
This is by far one of the coolest experiences that I've ever had. Already excited thinking about next year. Look at the team, look at what we're going to do, and see what we can do and coming back and visit this place again.
The bonding that you have on the trails with the other person is something that will never happen again. No words for that. It's amazing.
The camaraderie is always there, and I have a lot of new friends. That's one thing with this competition. You always make friends for the rest of your life.
Next time, Trinidad will have to watch out. There will be some redemption. When we see Team Barbados, it will be a force to be reckoned with.
Well, that's it for the 3rd annual Nature Island Challenge on Dominica. Truly the Nature Island in every way. We saw grueling trail runs conquered by never say die attitudes, unique cultural challenges that highlight life on the island, team bonding and support to tackle each day's major challenges, and best of all, friendships and memories from an epic athletic adventure that will last a lifetime.
You want to finish with me? Come on.
Congratulations to 2-time winners, Trinidad and Tobago White, and all the athletes. This is Ian Adamson. Thank you for joining us.